So you probably already know that whatever field you're in, you need a website, right? But have you thought about the technical side of having one? You know, to enable your website to be accessible to your prospective customers, it needs to be hosted somewhere. This means that there must be a computer constantly connected to the internet, a server which will do the job. Now, you've basically got three options. The first one is setting up your own computer as a server. Although this may look like the easiest way, it's probably the worst and most expensive choice. First of all, remember that your computer would need to be powered 24/7, and that any internet instability or slowdown would cause your website to become unavailable. Secondly, setting up a server can get pretty tricky. Do you really want to deal with all the IP addresses, DNS records, or SQL databases? No, trust me, you don't. Option number 2 is to use a free hosting service. But as with anything else in life, free rarely means anything good. Usually with such a service, your site is hosted at some strange address, which always raises concerns about your credibility, not only for website visitors, but also for search engines. Also, these hosting services usually only offer limited space for your content, can be very unreliable, and lack quality human support if there's any at all. The last and best option is to simply go with us. These are the top 5 reasons to join our happy customers in using our hosting services. You can easily choose a credible, easy-to-remember website address, plus get as many email accounts as you want. Our installation process is fast and easy, so your website is only a few clicks away. And in case of any problems, our professionally trained support is always here for you. Our servers support all major software, so whatever you need, we got you covered. Oh, and of course, your website reliability and data security are our top priorities. And in the case of a disaster, all your data is regularly backed up. So if you're looking for a safe home for your website, look no further. Contact us today.